Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2021 Mazda CX-8, stock number 7084. It's run from the 5th, 2018 to the 12th, 2023. It's a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard one, dent, left front 17-inch factory mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door one dent, right front 17-inch factory mega tyre, right hand headlight, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sound stereo, interior mirror, front kiddies light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 5-spoke metal steering wheel, instrument cluster,